Hi guys, today we're heading out of Auckland. We're driving around 50 minutes over the Waitakere Ranges to Piha Beach, which is about 39 k's from downtown Auckland. It's spring in New Zealand and we're going to do the 20 to 30 minute walk to the Kitekite Falls, which is a 40-metre multi-level waterfall. Now there is a car park there where you can leave your car, and then before you do the walk you do need to make sure that you clean your shoes. You need to brush them, you need to wash them, and make sure they're very clean, because we do have an issue with kauri dieback in New Zealand. Kauri is one of our native trees and it's a little bit under pressure with bugs. Now it is spring in New Zealand and it's heading into summer. I've just done this walk. Just be aware there are a lot of steps along the way. I didn't count them, but I reckon there's a good 600 to 700 steps. So if you don't like steps or can't handle them, it's not a walk for you. Now I said steps there, but what I mean is stairs. Now as you walk along the wooden walkway here, you'll come to a point where the track goes left over a bridge and straight ahead. My suggestion is you take the left hand version over the bridge, because that way the walk is a lot easier. Now very sadly this year, 2023, Cyclone Gabrielle hit New Zealand in February and it caused $8 billion worth of damage. A lot of people lost their homes, a lot of areas were flooded. A lot of the tracks in New Zealand closed and still have not reopened 9 months later. Halfway through the walk to Kitekite Falls, you'll come across this sign and all this crap all over the walk. So you'll do one of two things here. You'll just stand there and look at the mess and go, gosh, this is a tragedy, and turn around and go back. Or you might do something else. Now, beyond the damage, the track is in good repair. There are a lot of stairs. Remember I said turn left at that bridge, but if you don't, these are the stairs you're going to encounter. Once you get there though, the falls are spectacular. Don't forget to take a towel, because you can swim in the pool under the falls. They are cold, but they are swimmable. Now there is a 10 to 15 minute trek to the top of the falls if you want to do that. It is a bit of a climb, but it is well worth it, because there are some little pools that you can wallow in up there, and it's a really pretty setting. So we're heading back to the car park now, and as you can see the track basically is in good condition. Just remember when you start the walk, it is a circle walk, and you should be doing the walk clockwise. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. The walk is really quite protected from the sun, so if it's a hot day, you're still okay to do the walk. Probably a good combination would be Piha in the morning, which doesn't have a lot of shade or cover. It is a black sand beach, so it can get quite hot. And then the Kitekite Falls in the afternoon. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.